All right, good morning everyone and welcome to the replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. I said I was going to do a live for you today, so I wasn't sure what I was going to do. I actually have two designs, so I decided to go with this one today. This is our farmer's market transfer, and then I'm going to be doing this on this is a 20-inch piece of wood that I purchased at Lowe's. Oh, and by the way, if you're coming in this morning, please make sure you comment, say hello, good morning. Let me know where you're watching from. And in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. Please make sure you share this video. I really appreciate it. So, to get back what I was saying, this is going to be the design I'm going to do today for you is our farmer's market. And then I'm probably going to do this one on Monday or Tuesday, but this was the other one. This is one of our newer transfers as well. It was Always You, and I'm actually going to do this design on a pillow. So stay tuned for that. That live is going to be coming in the next couple days, and I will be using ink for that design. So this transfer, we actually had this transfer at Chalk Couture for over a year now, and it is always very, very popular. So if you have that farmhouse decor or the country decor, I mean, you could even do the contemporary decor if you have that in your kitchen. This will definitely work really well. So I'm just going to be using our black chalk paste for this design. I'm not going to get crazy with colors. So it's going to be a simple, quick, easy project for you. Now for my piece of wood that I'm using, this piece of wood, obviously, this is not available through Chalk Couture. This is actually something we purchased at a local store. And what I did is I painted this with white acrylic paint, and then I used a dark walnut stain over top of it. I sanded it down, and then I used Minwax finishing wax over the top of it. And the reason I do that when I'm doing a Chalk Couture product is because when you use that Minwax finishing wax, you can still change out your designs if you choose to do that and you're not sealing your project. So kind of what I mean by that is our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent, and I always talk about that. And as long as you do things on non-porous surfaces, you can always change out your design. Now, we all know wood is porous, but again, I've painted it, I've stained it, and then I put that wax on top. So now this is a non-porous surface for me, and I can absolutely change out my design. So just to kind of give you a little bit of information there on how that'll work when you're using wood. Good morning, Stephanie. How are you? So all of our transfers from Chalk Couture are a silk screen reusable transfer. Now you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. As you can see, this is not a new transfer for me. I have definitely used this transfer many, many times. But today, like I said, I'm just gonna do a basic, simple, easy design. So you can purchase this right on my website, which is chalkinwithjen.com, and I actually posted the link in the description of this video for you as well. So you always wanna write on the back of your transfers. Now real quick, just to kind of show you on another one, if you are purchasing right on my website for yourself, all the directions are right on the back of all of our transfers when you get them that tells you how to use them, or obviously you can come back and watch videos, but it's really, really a simple, easy process. So I wrote on the back of my carrier sheet, so I'm gonna know which way to put this back on. I'm going to peel this transfer from the backing. Now this is just easier if you lay this down and pull the backing off instead of trying to do it as I would use one of the smaller transfers. I'm gonna stick that to the side, and then I'm just gonna flip this over because this is the adhesive side that I'm gonna be using. And then I'm gonna place it right on my board where I want it. Now, I already know that the whole thing isn't gonna fit on here, and I'm totally okay with that. But I just wanna make sure I get it where I want it and as even as I can from top to bottom, from his feet to his feathers on his tail. From the top, I think that's good. From the top, there we go. And then I'm gonna want to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within my silk screen area. It doesn't matter about the green side or the aqua side, whatever color that is. I just want to make sure there are no air bubbles within this area where I'm going to be using my chalk paste. Excuse me. Now our chalk paste does come, I think that's going to be good. Our chalk paste does come in 29 different colors. And like I said, today I'm just going to be using the black. And then we have a line of squeegees that we sell as well. Again, being that this is a bigger design, I actually probably could use, we have a really large one since I'm only using one color. And then we have the angled squeegees. And then we have the small squeegees. So it kind of depends on what project you're using. And these are all available, like I said, right on my website. So let's get this ready to go. I'm going to mix my chalk paste. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just doing this design in black. Oh, that's kind of messy. I think I dropped this one upside down, but that's okay. It'll come off. I can clean it with water. Your chalk paste, you want to make sure it is a yogurt or sour cream consistency. And when I talked about surfaces, I forgot to mention, you can use our products on many different surfaces. Obviously, you can do it on chalkboards. It's Chalk Couture, right? You can do this on chalkboards. You can do it on wood. You can do this on canvas. A lot of people like to do windows, which turn out really beautiful. So many different surfaces that you can do this on. And then we have the inks, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But we have inks, and the inks are really nice to do like t-shirts, pillowcases. You can do coffee mugs, you can do tins. So again, a lot of different options. And the difference between the chalk paste and the ink is meant to be permanent. So when you heat set it, it's not going to come off your design. Whereas the chalk paste, it's semi-permanent unless you seal it. Now, if you want to know how I do seal my projects, this is what I use when I'm using my chalk paste. It's just a Krylon sealer. I purchased this again at Lowe's. And then I will seal my project by spraying it, and then it's good to go after 10 minutes. So again, if you're coming in, make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. So I think this is about ready, you guys. This is gonna be quick and easy, so I'm just gonna get some globs, because I'm doing this whole thing in black today. I'm just putting globs all over the place, because this is a bigger design, and I know I need a good bit to create it. So we'll see. And if I have any excess, I will scrape it off and just put it right back in my jar. All right. So I'm really excited about something that's going on with our team. Oh my gosh, look how quick and easy this one's gonna be. Our team is growing, and our team is actually very close to promoting. So I was offered for specifically my team a very special incentive. So if you're interested in learning more about the Chalk Couture opportunity and you want to become a part of our team, please let me know, because we have a really fun special incentive for our team if you're interested in joining this weekend only. So see, I've got a lot of excess on there. I'm just going to scrape it right off and put that back in the jar, because I am not going to need it all. It's only $99 to join Chalk Couture and become a part of this amazing opportunity. I have to tell you, things have been growing and going really well. You are gonna get over $240 worth of product in the startup kit. And then remember, like I always tell you, there are many different avenues that you can run your Chalk Couture business. You can do this where you sell right online. You can do this at something we called sip and chalks or make and takes. So a lot of different opportunities. And I'd love to share more of that information with you. So just comment info or me below, and I'll send you the extra bonus that's going on for our team. And I'm happy to add you to our opportunity group so you can learn more about the business opportunity. So are you ready? Give me some thumbs up and hearts if you're ready to see the end result. I'm gonna peel this and reveal. Oh my gosh, I love this transfer. It's so pretty. Oh gosh, look you guys. And then I do have a tub of water right next to me that I'm gonna throw this transfer in to clean it up once again. And I'll clean it with water and Clorox wipes. I'll let it dry and it'll be good to go for a future use. So what do you guys think? Do you love it? Look how great that is. And you see, you know all those beautiful farmhouse designs you see out there in all the home goods stores? Well, I just created one myself in less than, what, 10 minutes? I think I talked more than it took me to do this design. And if you want to, you could totally get creative and you could do different colors, whatever your kitchen may be. Oh, thanks, Kayla. I hope you love it, and thanks for watching. But look how beautiful that turned out. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to learn more about the opportunity, I would love to share that with you. Like I said, we have a great incentive going on for this weekend only. We have a lot of new transfers out on my website, which is chalkandwithjen.com. If you're interested, you can just purchase as a customer right online. You can do this at home yourself, and I promise it's easy. What else? Any questions anybody has, let me know. Hey Carol, how are you? Thanks for watching. I'm so excited for you. I can't wait to see the designs you're gonna create. But remember, in the bottom left-hand corner is the share button. I greatly appreciate it if you share my video. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. I work late tonight, so I do have the night shift tonight from 1 to 10. But I will be doing my other design for you next week. And I'm just gonna let this dry now. This will dry in a few minutes. And I have a beautiful piece of home decor that I've created all by myself. So have a great weekend, you guys, and I'll be chalking with you soon. Take care.